Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Deonte Burden, aka Mr. Short Dollar himself. Listen, I want to give you guys an introduction to a pretty cool grant for people looking into the get started in the jewelry industry. This is the Halstead Grant, and the Halstead Grant it really help a lot of jewelry makers, primarily people in the silver jewelry industry. It's an annual grant that's awarded out. The deadline is August 1st of each year. It's a $75 cash grant plus some other items. I think they give you $1,000 in merchandise included, but also some national recognition. And it's created because I didn't know initially, besides reading this, and again, Mr. Short, we try to give a lot of information in regards to different grants and different opportunities out there. Um, how many people are trying to get into the actual jewelry industry? But it's pretty cool as far as anybody trying to get in. Before we go in the deeper with everything and look at the application process, I want you guys to make sure you hit that dollar sign in the bottom right hand corner to subscribe to Mr. Short Dollar, where we talk about business, entrepreneurship, uh, I'm about to forget, personal finance, and real estate investing. But okay, let's get ready to rock and roll. Now we're talking about this Halstead grant, guys. Again, it's earmarked to be postmarked for August 1st each year. And again, it's just pretty much a grant to get into, if you initially get into the jewelry industry. As I stated before, that $7,500 cash prize and also $1,000 in merchandise. This is a team at Halstead, Hillary Halstead Scott, that's the owner. Yeah, I think these are the people that actually started the company, some of the board of directors, some of the judges. Okay. Like I said, I think this is an excellent opportunity for anybody look getting the actual jewelry industry, especially got initial startup costs. And it was help to help anybody that's getting into the jewelry industry to help them, curb those initial costs of doing it, and also put you in a position where you can get some added exposure and critique by people that's already in the industry. Right now, just going through the application process. We need to download the application. And I have the application right here. This is the application. Pretty much give you, the basic information, what you need to apply and also to acquire this particular grant. Name, business name, have some eligibility requirements, student or professional jury, intend to pursue a full-time career. These are just basic questions here, and they also asking, different information, what all the services you provide. Applicants agree to follow the following terms of participation. And mostly it's just, different legal and more validity questions in regards to, what you're going to do with it. Are you truly somebody that's in the jury industry looking to acquire this funding and assistance? The judging committee. And then we start the initial application process. So business overview. You have to answer these 22 questions. I apologize in regards to that. And this is just pretty much a help with a business plan outline. Because again, they're not only trying to give you the grant, but also trying to help you create a business in the actual jewelry industry. So you'll answer all these questions, and some will range from what business brand name will you be using for your creations? Why did you choose this name? And again, like I said, again, it's not just something that they're looking for people rather that actually serious about doing this to also get critique to help them go next level with it. Okay. Here's another question: what are the key visuals for your brand? There's a lot of questions you got to think on in regards to that. Even going to financial statement, list how you would budget the 7,500 grand if you to win the award. It's a section you have to put your social media handles. Can't stress you guys enough how important you have that digital footprint, where you have those different social media presences, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, website, all that stuff need to be in place. And then it's just an initial checklist, the application form, answer those 22 questions, put your submission in a folder or a binder. This is just it and just sign it. And they actually give you, I think, the address up here at the top of the application where you need to have everything mailed to. Again, postmark deadline, August 1st this year, notification by September 2021. Just want to go over this real quick because, again, I'm not directly involved in the jewelry industry, but for the simple fact, I know there's people out there trying to help you. I want to help anybody I can. So again, this is the Halstead Grant, which helps anyone that's looking to get into the initial jewelry industry, jewelry creation industry, primarily in the silver um, jewelry industry. It doesn't say only that. And I read that, I heard primarily. Again, I look for keywords like that. But again, keep in mind, like I always tell you guys, make sure you got good, compelling reason. You put a lot of effort into any of these applications. Okay, that money is sitting there. Let them tell you no. Don't just sit here and skip over these grants, whatever, any kind of opportunity you got. Let them tell you no. And you heard nothing, just to do it. So just going to make an honest attempt to do it. Okay, again, that's my introduction to you guys on the Halstead Grant. Again, make sure you subscribe to the show, Dollar, where we talk about personal finance, business, entrepreneurship, real estate investing. More grants on the way. Hey, best of luck to you guys. Take care.